The Comelec has called out more local bets ahead of the midterm polls for alleged insensitive remarks and campaign materials. Here's our report.
That campaign jingle of Mocha Uson did not sit well with Comelec. The poll body wrote her a letter for what it called were, quote, sexually suggestive elements in her campaign. Mocha, who is running for councilor in Manila, vowed to stop the use of materials in question.
Let us put an end to this. Yan lang naman po. Itigil na lang po muna yung pagpapalabas niyan. Kung nagkagastos po dyan, ganun po talaga yung consequence niyan. Kasi sana po naman ay napag-isipan muna natin bago natin inilabas o bago natin ginamit yung isa pong materials na maaari po maka-offend sa sensitivities and sensibilities ng mga tao, lalo na po mga kababaihan.
But unlike Mocha Uson, Pasig City congressional candidate Ian Sia is on a more defensive mode. In his response to a show cause order issued by Comelec, Sia invoked freedom of speech, saying that while his words may sound brash, his speech in its entirety falls within this right. He was under fire for telling single mothers in a campaign sortie that they can sleep with him once a year. He received another show cause order for supposedly body shaming one of his staff. Aside from Sia, re-electionist Misamis Oriental Governor Peter Onabia and Batangas gubernatorial bet Jay Ilagan have also received show cause orders for alleged discriminatory remarks.
Expected po natin yan. Pinag-aralan naman po namin yan lahat ng aming pong task force bago namin ilabas ang lahat ng show cause orders. Anticipated namin kung ano yung lahat ng isasagot nila. Alam din po namin kung ano yung isasagot nila. At more or less alam na rin ng task force namin kung anong gagawin after matanggap yung mga kasagutan na ito.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.
Well, tingnan natin yung mangyayari kay Mocha dahil sabi ni Chairman George Garcia, walang sorry-sorry. Pag nanglabag ka na, wala nang sorry to.
Pero in fairness to her, nung sinabihan siya, she recognized daw yung mga dapat gawin at immediately pinatigil niya yung pagpapatugtog ng kanyang campaign jingle. Wala nang but, wala nang whatsoever, pero, wala na siyang sinabi na, wala nang justification whatsoever.
Pero malinaw naman kasi sinabi ni Chairman George saka ni spokesperson Rex Laudianco na pag ginawa mo na, wala nang sorry kasi linabag mo na. We have to set an example, sabi nila. So, yun nga, I remember kasi talking to Attorney Rex Laudianco, Comelec spokesperson, last week ata yun, ano?
And asking him, sabi ko, ito po bang task force safe po ninyo? Kasama po dyan yung mga jingle na medyo may mga iba yung, may hidden meaning or merong iba pang pinagtutuntunan. At sabi niya, actually, it stemmed nga daw yung kanilang task force safe doon sa ganyan. It started because of yung before, yung may Pacheco na jingle. Tapos sabi, di ba sinabi nga natin dito, yung kay Mocha, tapos sabi nila, they will check. So ito na nga yung nangyari doon. And yun nga, brace yourselves doon sa mga iba pang kandidato na akala nila na sila ay Diyos, hari-harian sa town nila na hindi kaya nilang, alam mo yun, kung ano-ano lang yung pwede nilang sabihin. That ends here
Tsaka
na.
dapat smarter din yung kababayan natin. If sa campaign pa lang ganyan na ugali, what more when you're in power? Kaya mag-isip kayo bago kayo cast ang votes nyo.
Totoo yan. So alamin natin, kasi marami ng mga show cause orders ang nirelease ang Comelec, di ba? Kay Congressman Ian Sia, yung governor sa Misamis.
Si Onabia.
Tapos meron ulit ngayon na isa pa I forgot na, naman to, yung rival naman niya na may cancer, yung kanyang tinitira, yung kinikriticize. So isa rin yan dun sa mga nilabasan ng order ng Comelec.